Hello guys, I am Tor Games and I'm gonna play Minecraft in survival mode. Let's do this. There's my bonus test. Ooh, bread. I got an axe, useful. I got a stick, 2 sticks. I got some carrots and 2 salmons. And let's take some sticks. We need sticks too. Let's get all of the useful things. Okay. Is this even on? It's on? Wait, is the microphone on? It is on. So, let's do this. I think I need to build oh wait. What? I need to build. What is happening? Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. Yeah. No. How did you get my stick? Get it back. Get it back. No. Bro! What? Oh, my tools! I lost a few planks, but I need to craft one crafting. No, we need to go up. I don't know where to build the base. Oh my gosh. I feel like this is the worst start since a zombie attacked me. At least the water saved me. That's lucky. Or I'm lucky. Let's go. Let's find the village. But I don't have an axe. I will build one. I'll build one sword and an axe. That's good. First, I need to get this back and go to inventory. I need to really find a wait. I don't want to touch grass. Wait, no, I don't want to touch dirt. Let me. Not in flesh, not raw. Ooh, a sheep. We need first. We just need to find the bridge. Want to find the village. Check out. Hi, cow. Wait, it's not even cow. Can I even find the village forest? So far, I haven't seen a village. A dog. Sorry, I don't have voice. What is that? Wait. 40 minutes, 40 seconds. I think it's almost night. I need to find a village right now. I'm hiking. Yeah. I'm hungry. This is my only food. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is just a boring walk, so I will just, okay, let's go, guys. I on the video since I found this. It's ow. Is there a chest? I knew it. That's a lot of gold. And what is this? Iron nugget. And flint and steel. And also I found this desert. Just gonna chop some. Let's go, guys. And I will wear this. Let's go. Is this on? Bro, it's so, wait. I was gonna say it's so long that I haven't found the village, but I actually found it. I actually found it. Okay. This is so good. Finally, after hours. Give me this. I finally found it. But there's some loot on this island. No, nothing. We will a bed. We'll stay here for a while. This is my house now. I will craft some bread. Crafted some things that we need. And I can craft this. finally found the village. And I finally found. Oh my. Get out. It's day. What is this? There's some loot. You have a good house. There's literally nothing. I already checked this. Nothing. Why is there nothing? I mean, it's okay at least. Yeah. A lot of more weeds. We need a lot of this. I got 12 red. So I need to find more loot or mine. Oh, why is there no iron golems? I am the savior. Yeah. 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 I am the savior. Now I will mine stone. Do some corn. Some more corn. Now, make this and a boat.
Sa'yo ba to?
Hmm. So far, so good, guys.
Sa'yo to?
I need a chest. You have a chest? You have a chest. It's a barrel. I could have taken that chest that I cut from the bonus chest. Wait. And why is there no iron?
Sinabi mo kanina, pag sinabing gathered evidence, sinabi mo you would identify and authenticated. You mentioned the term
Danger.
reserve, correct? Showing this, yung tanong now is, ano ba ang ibig sabihin when reserved and posed?
This is the end. Bye bye, guys. Let me close this turn. Bye.